Welcome to Crowded Lab, and great news everyone. Triplo AI is back to AppSumo. It is your AI assistant, and I reviewed this tool about a year ago, and now it is back on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So let's take a look what changed. It will be my updated review of this tool. And I must say, it stands out from the crowd of other AI assistants because it comes as a standalone cross-platform application, so you can run it on your Mac devices or Windows or Linux. They provide mobile applications as well. And nowadays, it is very easy to use large language models. You can generate text with ChatGPT. And why would you need AI assistant at all? I think those will simplify your life because Triplo AI can really speed up your workflows. It really can make your life much easier and much productive. We'll take a look how you can use that. So let's briefly take a look at the features. It provides a set of predefined prompts and you can create your own, of course. We'll take a look at that. And here's where Triplo AI brings additional convenience because you can capture content from your screen and URLs. So it can scrape the web for you and get the content from there. And it can scrape the text from YouTube videos. Another great feature that I can see is automations. So that's really great because usually you would need a separate tool to automate your workflows. Regarding the deal structure, you are given the number of devices per license tier. For example, license tier 2 will give you 3 devices and 6 million AI tokens and access to the extended Smart Prompts library. And the maximum you can have 40 million AI tokens. And regarding tokens, we can see that 100 tokens equate to roughly 75 words. By the way, we can see that I did my review of Triplo AI last September. Okay, so let's start using Triplo AI. First, you have a shortcut. On Mac, it is Option Spacebar. So you can call your Triplo AI assistant. You will have a variety of models you can choose from. And by the way, I forgot to mention that you can bring your own key feature. Maybe you can even start with license tier 1, use 2 million AI tokens, and if it is not enough, you can bring your own key and continue working with this tool. Okay, moving on. So first, how would you use Triplo AI? The most straightforward way is just start prompting it. For example, a blog post outline about how Bitcoin works. So you can copy that and paste to the editor of your choice. Another way is a special instruction. You can type 3 O's and this instruction is configurable, so you can change it. But let's say we can type 3O. Asking to write a full paragraph, and all you need is just to copy this text with a command. You'll hear a popping sound, and when you hear another popping sound, it is ready, so you can just paste and you get the result. It is just that easy. So for example, you can use that custom command in any tool. Let's say we are using Slack. Like write me a Slack welcome message. Let's copy that. And now I was given the result. And that's how easy it is to use Triplo AI. The same way you can work with emails. You can ask for the reply and just copy the content, press the combination of keys to copy the content. In my case, it is Command C. I've got the result, pressing Command V. And here it is, the reply. Okay, let's move next. So let's clear the history and let's explore another feature, custom instructions that you can set up. These instructions will affect the output of the assistant. For example, I have created 2 instructions, Japanese to English, so I can just paste the text and I don't even need to select a prompt. Let's see that in action. Let's say you're learning Japanese, you would like to understand what this sentence is about. You call Triplo, then just select custom instruction. You can see it here, and just paste the text without a prompt. And based on my custom instruction, I am given the translation and the explanation of kanji characters with meaning and how that would be written in other alphabets that Japanese language has. Another example, reply like Yoda. So you can ask how to make the best tasting drip coffee. And if you're a fan of Star Wars, you will appreciate Yoda-like style of the response. Okay, let's explore yet another feature invoking Triplo AI, and let's transcribe the YouTube video. This is my YouTube preview of Email It tool. You just need to post the link, and that's it. And see how quickly it works. It is giving you a transcript of my YouTube video. I think that's great. Let's clear the history. And let's say you would like to understand a particular page written in Spanish and just to have a summary. Again, you just ask Triplo AI. That's it. And that's how you can make your life much easier with Triplo AI. Okay, so let's see a few other features. Of course, you can add your custom prompts. For example, the most simple one, translate from Spanish to English, and your custom prompts can be available as commands. Let's see how it works. So just select a particular text, start typing, translate Spanish to English. You can see your prompt is being suggested to you. Paste the text, and that's it. That's how you use your custom prompts. And your custom prompts can be of 3 types. The normal one that I've just showed you, those appear in the beginning of your prompt. Those can be inline, so you can create more complex prompts. You can start typing something, then type 2 forward slashes, add your prompt, and get the results that you need. And another way to use custom prompts is just to provide additional context. Maybe you can save the list of the places, and then when you type a prompt, you can bring that additional context. Okay, so when you start typing, for example, grammar, it is a smart prompt provided by Triplo. So you can select that, paste a particular text, hit enter, and you will be given the grammar corrections. And regarding smart prompts, you can find those here. there is a great variety of pre-built ones, and you can explore different categories. There are some for social media to write LinkedIn posts and others. There are a lot of predefined ones. Well, before we move to the conclusion, let me highlight you a few other features that Triplo AI provides, which really stand out from the crowd. It is agents, training, and automations. So with agents, you would be able to do more complex and more specific tasks, like interpret your code, for example. Another great feature is automations provided by Triplo AI. This is a really great one because you can, for example, generate some data and send that data to a particular webhook, and this is really awesome. So now that's it. So let's move to the conclusion. I think Triplo AI is a very versatile and great overall AI assistant. It can really speed up your workflows. It is moreover convenient to use. It gives you healthy amount of AI tokens, and you can use bring your own key feature to increase number of tokens if needed, to be able to use the tool if you run out of the tokens, for example. You can configure your custom prompts. You can use the extensive library of already pre-built ones. You can configure automations. So yeah, overall, a really nice tool, which also can scrape YouTube and web. That's another really convenient feature. So that's it about my updated Triplo AI review. To get this tool, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.